Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to get FAFSA money into your bank account for 2025. If you're a student or parent dealing with college finances, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. FAFSA, or the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, is your key to unlocking federal grants, loans, and work-study programs. But once you get approved, how do you actually get that money into your bank account? Let's break it down step by step. First, start by completing your FAFSA application on the official website, studentaid.gov. Make sure you have all your documents ready, like your social security number, tax returns, and details about your family's finances. This is the foundation. Get it right to avoid delays. For 2025, remember the application opens in October 2024, so don't wait until the last minute. Once your application is processed, you'll receive a student aid report, SAR, and your school will send you an aid offer. This might include grants like Pell Grants or federal loans. Next, log into your school's financial aid portal. Every school has one, and review and accept the aid you're eligible for. This step is crucial because you have to officially accept it to move forward. Now, for the money to hit your bank account, set up direct deposit. Go back to your school's portal or contact the financial aid office to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Double-check these details to prevent any mix-ups. Most schools disburse funds directly to your account, but some might send it to your school first to cover tuition, so keep an eye on that. Finally, track the disbursement dates. These vary by school and can happen in installments, like at the start of each semester. If you run into issues, such as delays or verification requests, reach out to your financial aid office immediately. They're there to help. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your FAFSA funds in your bank account in no time. Remember, staying organized is key to a smooth process. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.